Alright guys, so look, it's your boy Mr. Ras Books live in the building one time for the one time count cool count quench. And this is Virgin Island. Woo yee. Jerk. Anyways, alright, so this is what we're doing today. Today, welcome back to the kitchen, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the Today we're making some jerk sauce or jerk barbecue sauce from scratch. Well, it's semi-scratch, but it's all good. If you don't have all the stuff at home, or you go to the store and you're like, man, this is a lot of stuff, and you just cut corners so you get half and half and you're all right. So today we have some onion, some thyme, some sweet baby ray, some pepper. Hey, this pepper here, good boy. Yes, sir. This stuff is good. It's from St. Croix. We got some pineapple juice, and then we have some, watch it there. Oh, yes. That was 2 days, and this is what we're gonna do. All right, so we get this stuff set up in there good, and then we are look. So look, we put it on high. All right. High heat, high heat, high heat. We good? Okay. So we got here. All right. All we need is 1 cup, a full cup. Oh yes, pineapple juice, boy. Ooh. All right. So we got a cup there. Let it say linger in there. Oh yes. Onion, you don't have to cut it up. It's just for flavor. We're gonna be good right there. Get this thing up to a little simmer, little boil, and we all right. So, like I said, this pepper here is really hot, so we ain't want too much, but we're gonna pour some in there. You check. Oh yes. All right. Okay, we need a cup of this. So, I don't feel like pouring out in here, but I'm going to show you. So, pour some in there. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, culo. Yeah, baby. And then the magic. Woo! I telling you, this here, boy, 2 days of marinating. Oh, yes. All right. Show you guys in here. Hopefully my phone don't fall down. Okay, so that's the beginning, right? All right, let me fix it up for you guys, man. Let me fix it. Okay. Oh yes. So we're gonna let this here get to a boil, right? And then when it start thickening up, you'll tell, because when it start thickening, you see how watery it is now? Ain't ready yet. When it start thickening, that's when you know all the fats done been in there and thing. Oh man, nice thick sauce, and we good. So right. Okay, so there it is. Woo, I could smell it all good. Hey, I wish this was smell-o-vision. Alright, so we're gonna let that there sit for we're gonna let that there come up to a boil, let it sit. When they come up to it, we'll come back, show you guys what's up, and then we're gonna be on to the grill. So this is just the first part. Then in the next video, make sure you check it out for the grilled chicken, alright. Woo! Yes, sir. All right, so we're gonna put it on low. Let's check it out. Woo! Oh yes, sir. That's what we want. Yeah. Yo, Welcome to my channel. This is your boy. Over here we're doing something special today. We're doing some Virgin Island jerk wings. And that's how we're doing the thing live on the grill. We're setting up the grill. I done turn it on. Make sure your grill nice and hot. I got it up to about 375 or so. Almost 400, but we're good because we know we ain't want to burn up the wings then and check. So we're going to just set up the grill good. Put the wings on top. And show you guys the wings. Oh yes, boy, we need a new grill here, boy. Ooh, it's windy. Okay, just gonna set that there. We have some thyme. Just gonna put on there. Where's my tripod anyway? Got some thyme and just gonna put on there and soak down. Alright. Alright. Here are the wings. These wings has been marinating for about 2 days. Alright, been marinating for 2 days. Some homemade jerk spices and a little bit of jerk sauce. And that's how we go. We're going to jerk them up just now. And we're going to show you how we're going to do that. Alright. I put it down here. I like to put them on top. Oh, yes. So they won't get burned up. It's going to be on here for a good couple of minutes. This thing's not gonna take no longer than an hour. Yes, sir, the grill hot. Woo, let's get some of that sauce. That's what we talking about. Anytime it come down, it gonna smoke up, and we're gonna be good. Oh yeah. We good. Alright guys, so I just put the wings on the grill, and apparently I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But anyways, so we got some jerk chicken going on with a little bit of spice in there. I'll list all the spices on the bottom of the comments. Alright gang. Woo! Yes sir. This is exactly the texture that we want. You see how it's sticking to the spoon? Yep. Oh, this gonna be nice on the yeah man, this is only like 10 minutes. That's it. You set it high, you put it on simmer, and you're good to go. Look at it. Oh yes. Alright. Woo! Alright. This is what we want right here. Yes sir. Woo! Yes. Jerking it up. Woo! Alright, we're going to put the fire down low, and we're going to be good. Lower it down. Yeah. Put some of these ones over here. But that's exactly what you want right there. Alright, so we're going to let this here cook off. That was only for about a good 10 minutes, maybe even 8 minutes or so. But that's exactly what we want right there. Oh yes. Yeah, you see the smoking right there. Yes sir. Listen. Oh yes sir. Alright y'all, so now we about to set up the sauce. Oh yes, just watch it. Woo! Mm-hmm. Alright, set that up. Then we're gonna put it inside of the chicken. Where we at? Woo! Out here hot. Yeah. Alright. The chicken should be nice. It should probably be on 3. Yep, perfect. Oh yes, watch that there. So we're gonna add the chicken inside of the sauce. Oh yes. Just watch it. Oh, that's what you want. You hear that? Yes, sir. That is exactly what you want right there. Okay. Mix it around nice and good. And then just bring it back up. That's all we doing. We're gonna cut off. Oh, watch. Ah, man. Like, go right in that nice sauce there. Oh, man. Woo! Alright, let me cut this off a little bit. And then we right back up. Oh, yes. Alright. Could take a little bit of our gravy, our vegetables, our onion and thyme. Just leave it up there. And we're gonna be airy good. Just make sure it's there. Put some on it. Alright. So this is where we are here. And we're gonna be good. Alright, another 30 minutes on low. And we are right. Da-da-da-da. Yes, sir. Real Virgin Island jerk chicken. Hey, hey. Wow. Now this is what you call jerk chicken right here. Ay, ay, ay. Boy, I'm going to have a really good time. It all jerk up. Oh man, look at it, look at it. Ah, yes. That's what you call jerk chicken, boy. Look at it, look at it. Woo. Hopefully, hey, they say better not fall, you know, or else I'm going to be one upset person. Okay. That they can't walk right now. But this what it, oh man. This is jerk chicken at its best. It's a nice one there, boy. Alright guys, so look, this your boy Mr. Ras Books live in the building one time for the one time count cool count quench. And this is Virgin Island. Woo, yee, yee, yee. Jerk chicken at its best.